Welcome back to Quizwiz. Let's start with easy level. Guess the bird. Sparrow. Robin. That's great. Dove. Guess the bird. Crow. That's great. Finch. Guess the bird. Pigeon. Blue jay. Guess the bird. Hurry up. Canary. Very good. Seagull. Guess the bird. Hummingbird. Very good. Guess the animal. It's cardinal. It's chickadee. Swallow. Starling. That's great. Guess the bird. Duck. Eagle. Very good. Penguin. Guess the bird. Hurry up. Ostrich. A parrot. Guess the bird. Pelican. Get ready to next round. Guess the bird. Peacock. Guess the bird. Hurry up. Toucan. That's great. Guess the bird. Woodpecker. Guess the bird. Hurry up. Kingfisher. Very good. Guess the bird. Cuckoo. Genius. Stork. Hurry up. Albatross. Hornbill. That's great. Magpie. It's a new thatch. Guess the bird. The wren. Genius. Guess the bird. Hurry up. Osprey. That's great. Vulture. Kestrel. Guess the bird. Hurry up. It's a goose. Quail. Guess the bird. Falcon. Swift. Guess the bird. Sandpiper. Genius. Get ready to next round. Guess the bird. Harpy eagle. Andean condor. Secretary bird. Guess the bird. Hurry up. Lyrebird. Genius. Cuckoo. That's great. It's a hoopoe. It's a frigate bird. Guess the bird. A shoebill. That's great. It's a key. Hodo. Very good. Guess the bird. Guinea fowl. Genius. Toko toucan. Eurasian spoonbill. It's a sunbittern. Guess the bird. Hurry up. A baitler eagle. That's great. Snowy owl. Resplendent quetzal. Hurry up. Bee eater? Lapwing. Guess the bird. It's a gannet. Get ready to next round. Guess the bird. Pink-headed warbler. Philippine eagle. Guess the bird. California condor. That's great. Himalayan monal. Hurry up. Blue-throated macaw. Very good. Guess the bird. Nekisar nightjar. Wow, you are genius. Long-wattled umbrella bird. Nekisar nightjar. Guess the bird. Hurry up. Helmeted hornbill. Wow, you are genius. Madagascar pochard.